The Yellow Room loves nursery rhymes. And did you know a lot of them take place on a farm? I'm going to read some of them to you. Old Mother Goose, when she wanted to wander, would ride through the air on a very fine gander. A gander, or gander, is a goose, a daddy goose. Ba, ba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. This is a funny one. Dickory, dickory, dare, the pig flew up in the air. The man in brown soon brought him down. Dickory, dickory, dare. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where is the boy who looks after the sheep? Under the haystack, fast asleep. I know you guys love this one. The 3 little kittens, they lost their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. What? Lost your mittens? You naughty kittens! Then you shall have no pie. Meow, meow, meow. No, you shall have no pie. The 3 little kittens, they found their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. Put on your mittens, you silly kittens, and you shall all have pie. Purr, 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 oh, let us have some pie. Chook, 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 good morning, Mrs. Hen. How many chickens have you got? Madam, I've got 10. 4 of them are yellow, and 4 of them are brown, and 2 of them are speckled red, the finest in the town. Here's the last one. I saw the moon, and the moon sees me. God bless the moon, and God bless me. The end.